Now, this is how you cannot get Super Grok for almost free. So what you are going to do, you are going to come over to your App Store or your Play Store. You are going to search for X. So search for S, or you just search for Twitter. Once you search for Twitter, you're going to see S. I already installed mine. So you're just going to click on Open. So once you click on Open, they are going to take you to the interface of Twitter. Now you are just going to sign up with your name and your add your email account to it. Now the next thing you will do is to head over to Twitter. So you're going to click on this up part that says upgrade. Note, you need to watch this video to the end so that you not say it did not work for you. So click on upgrade. So once you click on upgrade, you are going to see different plans here. So this is the basic plan. So for the basic plan, you can see the features. Number one is no ads, reply boost. That's not what we're looking for. So let's just scroll to the down part. So once you scroll to the down part, you're going to see Grok AI. So once you subscribe to this feature, you're going to get Grok AI, usage limit, Super Grok, early access to new features. So these are the features that you will get if you pay for 3,000 naira. Now all you are just going to do is to click on starting at 3,000. Just come to this part. So now you're just going to click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to see the annual plan for they are telling you to save about 2,500 for the annual plan, which is the yearly plan. It's 31,000, but we are not paying for the yearly plan. So this is the monthly plan. You see that the monthly plan is saying 3,000 3,015 naira for the monthly plan. So we are going to be subscribing to the monthly plan for just 3,000 naira. Now we are going to click on subscribe and pay. Don't forget that Grok is over 45,000 naira, but this is just 3,000. So we are going to click on subscribe and pay. Now once we click on it, it's going to take us to the payment interface. So now I'm just going to head over to my payment details. Then I'm going to input my payment details. I'm going to do that off screen record. Then after making the payment, I'm going to come back here. So now once you are done successfully made your payment, so it's going to bring you to this interface. Welcome to premium. Then you're going to click on take a quick tour. So you're just going to click on continue. So just click on continue. Also, you're going to see meet Grok, your built-in AI assistant. Click on continue. Then see your profile. Just click on continue till it take you back to your profile. Now we're going to leave this interface. Now we are going to head over to Grok. Now this is what you do once you get to Grok to access your premium Grok here. Now, if you already have Grok AI on your phone, at this moment, I will advise you to uninstall it. Then you're going to come to Play Store and install it back. So just click on Grok, search for Grok AI. Then it's going to bring you here. Just click on install. Then let's just wait for our Grok to install. Once you are done installing it, you're going to click on enable. Now click on open. So it's going to take us to Grok AI. Now, this is what you will do. Once you get to Grok AI, it's going to show you this interface once you are done installing it. Now, do not continue with Google. Do not continue with email. All you are just going to click on is, you're going to click on continue with S. Click on continue with S. So now you're going to see this interface which say Grok Android want to access your S account. Now you're going to click on authorize app. So now it's going to bring you to Grok Interface. You can see I'm in my Grok Interface. So you need to follow the steps. If not, you are going to be getting an error message or error. They will tell you error, try again, error, try again. So if you don't follow the steps, you are going to start seeing that. Now let's just go over to this place. If you look at this particular place here, click on that three dots. Once you click on that three dots, you're going to come to this down part. You see S Premium Basic. You see it here. It's no longer showing my normal email address here. It's not showing S Premium, which is a premium that I just did. Now I'm just going to go back to the front interface. So let's just create a video with it. So now you're going to click on Grok Imagine. Click on Grok Imagine. Then you are going to click on the image that you want to animate. So let's just say I want to animate this picture. I'll just click on it. Then I'm going to click on done. Then I'll just say make her laugh. Make her laugh. Then I'm going to send it. Now let's wait for Grok to generate it for us. So now you can see that it's showing creating. So if it is before that I'm on a free plan, it's going to show upgrade to Super Grok. Now you see that it's loading. So I'm just going to let it load for a few minutes. Now that is it. So I'm just going to download my video here. So this is it for how to get Grok for almost free for just 3,000 naira.